Yo, what's good, guys? We are back. Okay, I'm actually going to be trading earlier this time because I'm just gonna keep on trying to learn from my mistakes. And what I learned from yesterday's mistakes was really just don't really trade setups that don't match up. Like that wasn't really matching up, which I'll explain later on, and I'll just explain why this one's a better matchup. And practically to trade earlier, which London Open starts at 5 p.m. here, and I usually trade at 6 p.m. like all the time. Doesn't matter when it starts, doesn't matter daylight or not. I always do 6 p.m. So this time I'm actually just going to do 5 p.m. because of just the setup. Setup on EU is looking mad. Anyway, your disclaimer, I'm not a professional trader. That is my goal. And if you guys want to join me, because I'm going to get there, down below is Traders Headquarters. Alright, and if you guys enjoy this video, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll probably catch you all in the video. This is the 30-minute time frame, and right now that's the phase 1. You can see here the phase 2. We could expect this here being the phase 3. Price has moved a lot way earlier. Essentially, we're expecting price to push back to the upside and probably grab with liquidity or continue pushing up around where it is right now, just because there's a monthly open price and there's liquidity. I'll quickly label the liquidity. All the yellow lines you see here, guys, are liquidity that price is grabbed. So right here and here, you can clearly see these two areas, one right here and another one right here. So price could come all the way down here, and this will still be a really good setup for a buy because of how far price has gone, mostly one side, and that there's a weekly open price here and liquidity. That's why I believe that these two areas really good areas due to the fact that it's still in London, the start of London. Price could come all the way up to this liquidity area, grab the liquidity and push to the downside, and if it has a lot of rejection, we can assume that price ultimately wants to come down. But yeah, if price decides to break through with a lot of momentum, especially here in the average price area, which is the blue line in the middle, we can expect price to continue going up. For the time being, it's just that the market looks like it's in an uptrend now, kind of reversed. For a while, it's been in a downtrend, so we could expect price just to push up a lot more, and we like the rejection that it's experiencing right now. So let's check the 5 minutes, see what we're dealing with. And yeah, exactly, so price is rejecting off this monthly open price. We may be taking an early buy. We usually actually wait till 6, guys, like I've been talking about. It's just that now when I'm waiting till 6, the setups that are available are absolutely dog shit. So I may be taking a buy right now, guys, on EU, just because I have a feeling price is going to push up, and if it doesn't, then it was still a good opportunity to buy. It was just early. Guys, I swear I have a little problem with buying late and just not pairing for the buy. Like, yeah, it's cool, but I just didn't buy at a really good area. But I did buy at a really good area, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, I bought a liquidity grab here and also the monthly open price area. Before entry, it's absolutely dog shit. I'll adjust it real quick. So guys, this is my entry. Absolutely dog shit, because I'm literally missing out what? I swear this is 3 pips. I'm tripping. Okay, it's only 1 pip. It's only 1 pip, guys. But you see, I could have had 0.5 pips better entry, and just a few better things would have happened. But anyway, we do expect price to push up, and if it hits 6 o'clock and it's like up here, or it's back here at the retracement, then it's going to be looking really good for us, because I would have taken a buy here anyway, in a better area, so to speak. So now what we're looking for price to do now is we're looking for price just to gradually increase and really just hit the, let's see, really just hit right somewhere here. That's when we're probably going to bring our stuff to break even. Okay, price is looking like it's really respecting this area. Good days. I want to check out GU, because GU wasn't really in a good position to push up. Bro, GU is tweaking, bro. GU is tweaking. The reason why I didn't take a buy in GU is because it didn't have the liquidity. Like, GU is just tweaking. Euro is acting right. You know, it's in a good area, monthly open price. And usually when shit happens like this, you can expect price just to fuck you up. So I'm not really having too high hopes just because it's in a really good area. Dead ass. Just because everything's perfect that I think is fucked. Anyway, besides this, I'm just gonna put an alert down here. I'm gonna put another alert up here. When price gets to this area, I'm gonna bring my entry to break even. I don't like the rejection, but you know, price can just fuck around a bit. And this is really just telling me where price is gonna be moving, so I don't have to be on the charts all the time. I can check my phone, or my phone can just go off, because this alert goes to my Gmail, and I'm just like, oh, okay, this is what's happening. Right now I'm gonna hold this because I've seen a lot of times where price does this and then literally just pushes up. So we're gonna leave it. We're gonna be chill, right? We're not going to go too crazy. I'm probably going to hold a full stop loss just because of a few reasons why. A few reasons why is because we're at a monthly open price. We're at a liquidity grab. Not even the liquidity grab. We're just at a monthly open price. And for a monthly open price, price sometimes goes lower or it comes back up. So I mean, full stop loss for this. We're going to leave GU where it is. And yeah, we're just going to chill. That was quick. The fuck? Oh, I thought price came all the way back up. I'm just like, that was crazy. It feels like my psychology has gotten a bit better. I've just been getting fucked in the market. Just not gonna lie to you. I've just been getting fucked. It's not good. It's not good. But it is what it is. You just gotta learn from getting fucked. Not literally, but yeah, I've just been getting beat. By the way, I'm just gonna say pause and rewind on that bitch, because that sounded fucked up. Anyway, continuing. Yeah, I don't like how price is necessarily looking like it's just, you know, it's a pull up, it's a pullback to push down, but it's in a really good area, so I do expect price to push up here. And if price doesn't, then shit, we just let it down and continue on with life. We still have 2 more trades to take. We are looking for buys now because we can clearly see the trend is a uptrend now. Probably people would be saying a sell because of how much price has moved, that it needs to come back down. I think differently. The better you go with the trend, better it is. Price makes mistakes, so price can dead ass do exactly what it's doing right now and then push up just because it makes mistakes. And yeah guys, so we're just gonna wait for this and kind of understand the analysis. We could be in phase 3 here if price decides to push up to the upside, and if not and it continues down, we could literally just be in the trade. We could just be in phase 3 of the market, and if we are, we'll figure out through losing, because I'm still believing that this is phase 2 no matter how far down it goes. Actually no, if it goes pretty fucking down, then I'm thinking we're in phase 3. But if it doesn't go down too much, and especially doesn't range, I think we're in phase 3 for the upside. So yeah, I'm super tired, so I'm dead ass just gonna take a nap. It's like, yeah, I'm dead ass gonna take like what, a 20-minute nap. And yeah, I do like the rejection of what EU's doing, but EU's a cunt sometimes, so I don't always trust what EU does, but this is a good area to take a buy. Probably the only problem is that it's pretty close. It's only like 12 pips away from daily open, not too far away. So yeah, we're just gonna let this run, and I'll catch you guys and I'll let you guys know what happens. Back after like 4 or 5 hours, and I got a lot to tell you guys about. So this was the previous trade that I took before. You can clearly see price pushed up, faked me out here, thought it was gonna come up and continue pushing up, but when price started pushing down, when I was asleep, price grabbed liquidity, pushed back up again, and then price started to range a bit because it didn't break above the previous high. That was like an indication. I saw it myself, but I just didn't want to believe it. Price instead came back down. I kind of cut my stop loss by 0.5 pips, and then you can see price licked me, came back up, played around a bit, and then came back down. I think what I should have done here was probably taken out earlier, like literally at the monthly open price, just because of how prices are moving. It's not really looking too well. Maybe down here, but price broke through, that would have saved me 50%. And yeah, the reason why I hopped into these trades though, you can see how price grabbed liquidity twice, and the second time it did, it pushed up, broke through, and this could be coming back in the area, or it could just be a retest for price to push up even more. We're expecting prices to retest and push up even more just because of how it is and how price break out of this structure. GU is kind of looking a bit odd as well, but we're just going to hold these guys. That's the plan. GU was kind of ending up beautifully right here. Price touched here. I didn't even know that, to be honest. I thought it was here. But well, yeah, when I was sleeping, price did all this, came back down. You could say it's unlucky because, you know, I wasn't looking at GU at this time. Price came back down, price grabbed the second liquidity, and I was like, yo, let's take a buy. This is probably at 7 o'clock. It is now almost 12, and we can just see how price is higher highs and higher lows. Although there are a few lower lows, but that's just a part of how trading is, I guess, without news. Because usually with news kind of switches up the market like way more. But yeah, this is really what I'm seeing, guys. This is really what I've entered in. The reason why I entered in was the same as usual, guys. Remember, I just wanted to take a buy here when price got to this area, and when I wake up, you know, I had like 30 minutes and then price hit this area, and I was like, you know what, let me take a buy here. And you know, I kind of just sat in with all this movement because I still believe price is going to push to the upside. Now they're both at break even, so if price hits break even, then you don't lose much any more than what we've lost. It's only $25, so we're risking $25 to probably make way more. Right now we're floating in $60, but we do believe both prices can push up higher just because of the trend, what happened, just because of how it's moving. I still do believe price can push to the upside. And for GU, before I even consider doing anything like that, I need to look at either price breaking up here and past this area, first of all. Second of all, grabbing this liquidity up here. And then I can decide whether I would like to take out now, later, whatever the case may be. As for EU, we kind of just want this to survive a bit longer. We don't want price to grab entry price, which is my break-even area, then push back up. But yeah, so right now I expect prices to grab the top here, which is already labeled, the liquidity here, and literally just pass through here. Depending on what price does in these two situations is determining on what I'll do. And price hasn't necessarily reached this area just yet, so that's what I'm expecting price to do. EU doesn't look like it has the strength to do it, but I think GU could. I just don't want to reverse. I don't want that forming a wick, which it kind of is. We're going to still hold on to this because we still believe price can push up. For GU has reached the area where price can reject and push to the downside. Definitely valid enough. For EU, you know, EU is just doing its thing, and we just want prices to push back up and not really to have a massive pullback. We've held this for about 7 hours, I think, for these 2 trades. And we're just gonna wait and see what happens tomorrow. Not gonna really add on to the video. I wanna get this video out. Thursday we'll have the result. The most we can lose is $25. The most we can gain is the question. The most we can gain is the question. Anyway, y'all, if you guys like this, hit that like and subscribe. And if you all aren't already in the traders headquarters, get in there already. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.